One of the shortcomings with the discussions that are had around DevOps is that the word itself somewhat narrows your perspective. I just said a moment ago that the push for DevOps has been about not just developing iteratively, but releasing iteratively so you can get changes out the door and potentially get value out of them. But the reality is, business is not just about releasing software. Software is not the point. The point is helping your customers. And so with that perspective in mind, there's much more involved than just dev and ops. Think about this for a second. Think about all the different people that are involved in getting software out the door, and actually software that's valuable to your customers. And if you think about that, chances are you're going to find quite a few more people are involved, or at least quite a few more responsibilities are involved than just developing and releasing software. For example, before we can develop anything, we have to know what we're going to develop. There's usually other people that are involved in creating specifications of some sort. Regardless your project management approach, you have to know what you're going to do, and that has to happen before development can take place. And then in the process of development, we also have to validate what we're doing. And if we don't bring testing into the iterative approach, then if we start to develop release plans, well, that's just extra work that we might have to throw out because we haven't validated if changes actually work. After software is released, we have to educate users and make sure they are getting the value that they need out of the software. And if not, or if only partially, we have to bring that feedback into the development process. And so if you look at this bigger picture, there are a lot of roles and responsibilities involved beyond just dev and ops. And so this second principle that I want you to consider is coalescing responsibility end to end. In other words, bringing every responsibility together that's necessary for your business to be successful, not just development and operations.